Malla Kriya. This activity is loosely based upon the warm-ups done by Indian wrestlers to prepare them to face the battle. It involves the use of the forceful Bastrika in synchrony with movement from a standing to a squatting position. Stand in the Samasthiti-asana and clasp your elbows in front of your chest with the right hand on the left arm and the left hand on the right arm. Take a deep breath in and then blast the breath out with a whoosh, and at the same time come down to the squatting position. Breathe in and at the same time come back up to the standing position. Blast out the breath and go into the squat. Breathe in and come back up to the standing position. Blast out and go into the squat. After 3 rounds of this practice, relax in the Utkatasana with controlled breathing. The second variation of this practice is done with the Namaskar Mudra at the chest. Stand in the Samasthiti-asana and bring your hands into the Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath in and then blast the breath out while coming down to the squatting position. Breathe in and come back up to the standing position. Repeat the practice at least 3 times before relaxing in the Utkatasana. Clasp your head with your hands and open the arms so that your shoulders are out to the side. Repeat the Malla Kriya 3 more times with the blasting out of the breath. At the end of the Malla Kriya, relax in Utkatasana and enjoy the cardio-respiratory stimulation that is the byproduct of this invigorating practice. A regular practice of the Malla Kriya ensures a strong and healthy heart that is capable of facing any stressful challenge offered by the world. It also provides an excellent outlet for the release of pent-up stress from the nervous system.